I'm sure you had good bad. Wait, hold up, 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 wait.
Welcome back to Revenue. So today we are going to try to cash stuff $10. If you are new to my channel, this is a savings channel. We're all about saving money for the future. And so we do live on a low income budget. So I'm a low income budget cash stuffer currently at the moment. And I will be saving up for my birthday, which is June 23rd of next year. So I want to get me a nice head start on for whatever it is that I want to do for my 35th birthday. And how I do my cash stuffing is that I like to play this game called Roll and Save, where I take the dice, shake it up, and let the dice tell me how much money that I need to cash stuff in each envelope. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. But before we do, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, share this channel, so we all can be on the road to financial freedom. By doing so, we must start with what we have, trust the process, and understand that a little bit goes a long way. So first, we're going to count the money and make sure it is accurate. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10. I do want to say that I haven't made it to the bank yet to do a bill swap, but I will at some point this week. Also, I do want to let you guys know that I only have 8 envelopes that's in this specific binder. I do have $10, but again, the dice is going to tell me how much I need to cash stuff. If for some reason I have money left over, I'll just use it for another cash stuffing video. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so birthday is going to get $4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Next we have hair. Hair is going to get $5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next we have hygiene. And it says hygiene needs to get 4, but obviously I only have $1. So let's see if we can get $1 the next 2 rounds. $4 again. So this is my last time shaking it up to see if I can get $1. $4 again. So I'm not going to cash stuff hygiene. I'm going to leave that $1 there, and I'll save it for another cash stuffing video. So we're going to go ahead and see how much money we have in each envelope. Again, I do want to let you guys know, I understand when you're playing this game and you're using small amounts that there are going to be some envelopes that are going to get way more money than the others. Now, I could easily start playing the game starting from the back of the book and work my way to the front. But because I know I'm going to eventually put more money in here anyways, at some point in each envelope, I'm going to increase the amount that I'm cash stuffing. I decided to just keep playing from the front. But if I do have a change of heart, I might just start doing it from the back and see if we can get some of these envelopes filled in the back. But again, I don't really want to focus my energy on worrying about each envelope getting a certain dollar amount, because again, this is all dedicated to me. The money is going to me for my birthday anyways, so it doesn't matter which envelope, you know, has more money than the other. I can always take money from one envelope and allocate it to the other one. I just want to show you guys how it's so easy to save money, and you can do it in a fun, playful way, especially if you're saving money for the future, and how these small amounts will add up over time. Okay, so that's the whole point in me doing these videos and playing this game. Okay, so for birthday, we have 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So $48 for birthday. Next we have hair, which has 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. For hygiene, we have 20, 30, 5, 36, 37, 38, 39. For miscellaneous, we have 20, 25, 26. For nails, we have 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. For perfume, we have 20, 21, 22, 23. For self-care, we have 10, 15, 16. And lastly, for shopping, we have 21. Alright, so you guys can see how much we've saved overall on the screen. Again, if you're into these type of videos, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, share this channel, so we all can be on the road to financial freedom. By doing so, we must start with what we have, trust the process, and understand that a little bit goes a long way. And I'll see you all in the next one.